Now, what is the word evil? Evil is just the opposite of live. Live, you make it opposite evil. Alright, so what is evil is actually going against the principles of life. Life has its own principles, and if you go against those principles, then that is called bad or evil. There is no other definition of that word. So if you're going against the pure principles which govern life, then you are being evil. So for example, the pure principle is that if somebody has got more gravity than you, if they have more soul power than you, then if you are not humble to that being, then that will harm you immediately. So that is being evil. Like Daksh was evil because he did not bow to Shiv. Now Shiv had more centering than him. Shiv had more divinity than him and everything. But he did not bow in front of Shiv. So that's where the evil began. The Daksh story in the Vedic Purana, when Daksh did not bow in front of Shiv, that was the root beginning of evil. All evil finally comes out of that, like, because people or souls or spirits, they did not respect something which was higher than them. If you don't have that respect, then you cannot evolve. And if you don't evolve, then you will go down to hell. Because you will go down from wherever position you are. So it's like taking a panga with something which is much more than you. And if you take a panga with something more than you, then it's your loss. It's nobody else's loss. You're going to go down, you're going to face the consequences. And that consequence is pain and torture. There's a hellish situation happening all around the world, all over, for all kinds of people. But why is it happening? It is happening as per their choices. You get into a situation depending on what choices you make. And how do you make choices? For that you need education. You need knowledge to make the correct choice. But that's not happening. So, like people call like dark evil. Especially in this country, because this country is about fair and lovely creams and things like that. Dark is evil, because the thing is, space is dark, vacuum is dark, and even whatever comes out of space and vacuum only. Even black hole is dark. Does not mean it's evil. That means it has power. It has the power to create. Just because something has power doesn't make it evil.